Hey there everyone, Sol here, bringing you another unboxing video for a product called the Komine SK-822 CE Level 2 back protector. So what it is basically just a protection for your spine from your stupidity. So if you guys have been tuning into my channel, you will notice that I've been doing a lot of longboarding slides. If you look at the video, this is so far where I'm at. And what I realized is once you gain more age, or rather as you grow older, you don't really get much smarter. So let's get right on to the video and see how this baby looks. Let's go. So there it is, you guys, the Komine SK-822 Level 2 back protector. To be honest, I really love the way this looks. I think that was really one of the factors why I chose this instead of the other products. Second would be the price. This costed me around 2,900 pesos. Yes. And I guess third would be the build. It's very light and skinny, which I really love. So yeah, there it is. And I sure do hope that this doesn't fail me, and one day this will actually save my life, and hopefully it will improve my sliding skills when it comes to longboarding and much more. So thank you and see you next time.